In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, most merciful. Dear brothers, sisters, and learners, welcome to this English course which is presented to you by English 101 UK Tutorials. This is our ninth lesson. It's Monday, the 10th of August 2020. This lesson is made for the pre-intermediate level. In today's lesson, we are going to have general knowledge, quiz, question and answers, and we are going to have some speaking skills. So let's start this lesson with the general knowledge, questions and answers. So it's a quiz competition. So let's start it. Here we have got about 31 questions. First question is, what is the official name of Big Ben? The Big Ben, the famous clock in the city of London, which is this one, it has got an official name. What's that? It's not Big Ben. No, it has got another name. Question 2, it says how many bones are there in the average adult human body? So how many bones are there in a human body? 3, who discovered penicillin? Penicillin drops. Who discovered this penicillin? It's the most famous painkiller. Who discovered it? Question 4. In which state was former US President Barack Obama born? In which state was Barack Obama born? Question 5. Who is the President of the United States at this time? Who is the current President of the United States? 6. Muhammad Ali was born in which US state? So where was he born? 7. The Second World War started in 1935. Is that true or false? 8. How many hearts does an octopus have? 9. What is the largest animal on the planet? What's the largest animal on the planet? 10. In 1952, Albert Einstein was offered the presidency of which country? So, in the year of 1952, the most famous scientist, Einstein, was offered the presidency of a country. What is that country? 11. What is the capital of Canada? So what's the capital city of Canada? 12. What's Tala? An elephant or a giraffe? So which is taller than the other? An elephant or a giraffe? 13. Who is the CEO of Twitter? So who is the CEO of Twitter? 14. In which year was the Microsoft XP operating system released? In which year was the Microsoft XP operating system released? 15. Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? 16. What color are most buses in London? What color are most buses in London? Let's move to number 17, which says how many players are there in a football team? So how many players are there in one football team? How many zeros are there in 1000? So how many zeros are there? How many zeros are there in 1000? What company is also the name of one of the longest rivers in the world? 20. What company is also the name of one of the longest rivers in the world? 21. What language is spoken in Brazil? What language is spoken in Brazil? 22. What is the hottest chili pepper in the world? 22. What is the hottest chili pepper in the world? 23. What is the capital city of India? What is the capital of India? 24. What is the busiest airport in Britain called? So what's the busiest airport in Britain called? 25. How many permanent members are there on the UN Security Council? What is the underground called in Paris? What is the underground called in Paris? 27. What year was Facebook launched? What year was the giant Facebook launched? Started. 28. How many children does the Queen Elizabeth have? How many children does the Queen Elizabeth II have? Where is the tallest building in the world? 29. Where is the tallest building in the world located? 30. How many fingers do symptoms characters have? How many fingers do symptom characters have? Lastly, 21. What is the tallest mountain in the world? What is the tallest mountain in the world? Here is the general knowledge questions. Of course, we have got their answers on the last. Before looking at these answers, try to answer these questions. So let's move to speaking topic. Is speaking. Let's move to speaking, which is about travel and transport. Travel and transport. This one is going to be a homework. So all what you have to do is to speak about travel and transport for not less than 5 minutes. So this is a homework. Record your voice and send it via Telegram or WhatsApp. Here we are at the speaking section. Our topic for this week is travel and transport. So here in this section you are required to talk about this topic for not less than 5 minutes. So this is a homework. You are asked to record your voice talking about this topic and send your voice note via Telegram or WhatsApp. To answer or to speak about this topic, you have got some questions here that might be helpful. So once you are trying to give long answers to these questions, you are practicing your speaking skills. So what are those questions? 1 says, how easy is it to travel around your country? 2. Which method of travel do you consider safest? Why? 3. Has travel become safer in recent years than that was in the past? 4. What are the pros and cons of low-cost air travel? 5. Do you think people will travel in the future? Eventually, number 6 says, should the government in a country focus more on rail transport or route transport and say why. So this is a homework. Record your voice and send it, post it via Telegram or WhatsApp. So this is the homework for this week. As I mentioned before, those are the answers for the general questions that we read at the beginning of this lesson.